We guide you through how to create recipe with Wave Accounting. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Wave Accounting account and head straight to the accounting section, then click on products and services, then select add a product or service and choose the type that best fits your recipe-based item, usually a product. Enter the name of your recipe or finished item, then set the selling price and income account on every sale is recorded correctly. Next, calculate the total cost of ingredients by adding up each component manually since Wave doesn't have a built-in recipe feature. This means you'll want to prepare a cost breakdown beforehand using your ingredients list, quantities, and supplier prices. Once you have the total cost, enter it into the cost field to ensure your profit margins are accurate. Make sure to check the track inventory option if you want Wave to automatically reduce stock whenever you make a sale. Then input your starting quantity based on how many batches you can produce. After that, save your product and you're ready to use it on invoices, transactions, or sale entries without recalculating everything each item or each time. For better organization, consider naming your recipes clear and updating costs regularly whenever ingredient prices change to avoid underpricing.